Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. We cannot see God. We can see, but not immediately. When we are advanced, we can see God, talk with Him. But because we are not competent now, so if we know this is the name of God, let us chant it. That's all. It is a very difficult job. Anyone will say it is a very difficult job? Chant the name of, holy name of God. Then what will happen? Cetadarpanamarjanam. If you chant the holy name of God, then your heart, which is considered to be mirror, just like you see your face on the mirror, similarly, you can see your position on the mirror of the heart, core of the heart. You can see. That is called meditation. So, at the present moment, our heart is covered with the dust of material concepts. I am Indian, I am American, I am this, I am that, I am that. This is all dust. You have to cleanse this. Just like on the mirror, if there is a layer of dust, you cleanse it, then you see your real face. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Cetadarpanamarjanam. By chanting the holy name of the Lord, you will gradually cleanse the dust which is covering the core of your heart. Very simple. Go on chanting. And then, what will be the position? Bhava Mahadavagni Nidvapanam. These blazing fire of anxieties of material existence will be over immediately. Simply by this method. Chanting. If you have got any name, if you have got objection to chant Hare Krishna, so whatever name of God you know, you chant. This is our movement. We don't say that you have to. But this is accepted by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Hare Nama. So, if you have no objection, you can chant Hare Krishna. And if you think that the Hare Krishna is imported from India, we shall not chant. All right, you chant your own God's name. Where is the objection? But chant the name of holy name of God. That is our program. Cetadarpana marjanam, bhava mahadavagni nidvapanam. And as soon as you become cleansed of your heart, then the anxiety, nasavujati nakankati, will gradually increase. Then you will understand that I am neither American, neither Indian, nor cat, nor dog, but I am the part and parcel of the Supreme Lord. Then, if you understand that you are part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, then you will understand your business. Just like in your body, you have got so many parts and parcels. You have got the hands, you have got the legs, you have got the head, you have got the fingers, you have got the ear, you have got the nose, so many parts. So what is the business of all these parts of your body? The business of parts of the body to maintain the body properly, to serve the body. Just like this finger is there. I am feeling some discomfort, immediately my finger comes and serves automatically. Therefore the conclusion is that it is the business of the part and parcel of God to serve God. That is the only business. natural business. So when you are engaged in the service of the Lord, because you understand, by chanting the holy name of Lord, you will understand who is Lord and what is His advice, what does He want, service from me, then you will be engaged in that service. That is the perfection of your life. This is Krishna consciousness movement. Cheta datpanamarjanam bhava mahadavagni nidvapanam sreya kairava chandrika vitaranam. And as soon as you become clean of all dirty things, then your actual progress of life begins. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,